Sino ba yung mga TikTok dito? Sabay-sabay tayo mag-shake. Yeah! Shake, shake, shake. Sex house, but too soon para sa mga bagay na maagang natapos. Ano po masaya dapat tayo tonight, pero may mga panahon talaga ng iwapin yung mga pero ano pa rin, good vibes pa rin. Sumasayaw pero yes. Let's go too soon. Here we go.
TikTok. So yeah, thank you so much TikTok, for having us and for organizing this event for all of us to be together tonight. But yeah, we all know that TikTok is like music. It's best enjoyed with a good company like you guys. So with that said, are you guys having fun? Yeah. Good vibes. Awesome. By the way, just wanted to repeat that pwede kayong manalo ng trip for two to Singapore to watch F1. 3-day access. And all you have to do is buy a TikTok, take a photo of that receipt, and upload it on TikTokPH.com. So, diba? Sobrang dali na manalo. Mag-F1 tickets. Yes. Right. So that's all you have to do. Right. Yun. So, share it with your friend. Para pag nanalo ka, ikaw dalawa yung people. Or loved one. Yes. Sino dito ang mga may kasamang loved one today? Yeah? They found the one. Pero ito, sa mga hindi pa nakakahanap, I guess, ng the one, this next song is for you. For those who are looking for love, this one is for you. This is called Who's Gonna Love You? Thank you so much for being here, you guys. If you like our music, you can find us online, definitely. We're on Spotify, we're on YouTube, Facebook, name it, we're there. Even on TikTok. Sometimes we do TikTok. But yeah, thank you again so much. TikTok. We're down to our second to the last song, but we just like to check. Vibe check, are you guys doing good? Yeah. Great much meeting you guys good? Yeah. Waiting for Kids and Brianna? Yes. Waiting for Veronica? We're gonna sing this song. This is a song na title ay Ulan. First ever Filipino song written by sabi niya, ang kanta na ito ay tungkol sa kanyang Filipino. So, completely. Yes! This is for you. This is called Ulan.
Yun na yun.
Thank you. My name is Kian Cipriano. I'm just here to spread some good vibes. Thank you very much for having me pick up. Thank you. And thanks to each and every one of you for being here tonight. Thank you. TikTok, thank you for bringing us all together. I appreciate it. Is everyone feeling all right? Ito, nararamdaman ko yung pagmamahal niyo. Maraming salamat. Okay naman natin, ito ko lang isang bagong parang matagal ko yung gusto yung sabihin ko na ito yung kanta na ito yung kanta na dapat fresh yung ito yung vibes. Yung pareho yun. The song's called Give Me a Kiss. Hope you like it. Pagkakaan natin yung Buskers. Ben is up next. Maraming salamat, TikTok. Thank you. Everybody say thank you, TikTok. everyone feeling good? Tapos, pagkita ko, yung TikTok daw is having a promo. Hintok lang. Sa ilang receipts nyo sa TikTok PH, for you to get a chance to win a two round trip tickets to Singapore. You know? Yeah, withdraw na rin yung US sa July 9. So, again, thank you TikTok for this wonderful thing. Chen, pwede ka maka 3-day pass sa F1 race siya sa sponsor. Thank you so much. Is everyone having fun? Good company, good vibes. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. We are Ben and Ben, and we're so happy to be here with all of you tonight. All right. Sobrang nagpapasalamat kami dahil ang dami natin ngayong gabi! Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you for being here. Pwede mo palakpakan naman yung mga sarili ko. Anywhere else that you chose to be here. Alright. Whew. Kapag sinabi mo good, sabihin ng vibes. Good! 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 Alright. Itong next song na ito. Good vibes lang. Buhayan niyo itong next song na ito. Sing as loud as you can. Taas naman! Papatalo mo yung mga nandito. Taas naman! Yung mga nandyan sa likod, kitang-kita namin yun dyan. Taas naman! Alright. Woo! Itong susunod na kanta. Para sa mga LDR. Sino yung mga LDR? Sino yung may imaginary LDR? Alright. Sa mga LDR dyan, get a chance to win 2 round trip tickets to Singapore and 3-day passes to F1 Singapore concert! Paritin na, ito next song ito para sa mga LDR, para sa mga gusto nang magsama pero hindi pa pwede. This next song is called Autumn. Dito wala sa story yung title. Pero, gusto ko may kwento that tonight is very, very special for us because this is actually the very place where we performed this next song for the first time ever. And it was literally a month before the pandemic started. So, if you know this, please celebrate with us by singing as loud as you can. Oh my God! Okay po ba kayo dyan? Alright. Kung okay pa talaga kayo, ang request namin for this last song! Pwede ba tayong tumalong ng sabay-sabay? Alright. Palagpakan naman natin ang TikTok! Ang sinabi namin dito sa inspiring yung message nila ng good vibes, good company. Because music as well as kita is actually enjoy with good company and good vibes. Tsaka ano sinabi ko kanina, hindi joke yun ha, meron talagang chance to win 250 tickets to Singapore! Free passes to the F1 Singapore concert. Later, I'll tell you details on how to join. Alright! Are you ready for one last song? Okay. Now, as we always do. Konting survey lang. Sinasay nyo yung first time na pala yung set namin ever. Sinasay nyo na pala ang daming gadget! Kung bago ko man dito, kung matagal ka nang nanonood sa amin, hindi nagbabago ang mensahe ng kantang ito para sa inyo. Ang sinasabi ng asang nito, ay pipiliin namin kayo araw-araw! Song. Pwede mo natin kailangan ng gabi at sino ang phone next year. Hanggang sa likod. Wala dito sa harap, hanggang sa pinakalikod. Kasama tayo lahat dito. Okay, goes girl. Hey, we love you too. We love you too. And we'll see you soon. So much. Gusto mo namin pasalamatan yung team namin sa Bang Bang. Palakpakan natin sila. And I guess we